In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on TradingView. Whether you're tracking data series, indicator plots, strategy orders, or drawing objects, being notified of specific conditions can help you stay ahead in your trading journey. It's essential to note that alerts created on data series are independent of time intervals, whereas those set on studies, strategies, and drawings are reliant on the interval due to indicator calculation dependencies. A crucial point to remember is that if you change an indicator's parameter post-alert creation, the alert will still be triggered based on the original settings. Now, let's explore a few different ways to set an alert. Firstly, you can conveniently find a button on the top toolbar or utilize the button in the Alert Manager window. For those who prefer a bit of interaction directly from the chart, you can tap into the right-click menu or use the button on the drawing panel. Additionally, there's a plus button adjacent to the current price on your price scale. If you're a fan of shortcuts and efficiency, you can always opt for using hotkeys. Press Alt plus A on Windows or plus A on a Mac. Now that we have the basics covered, let's delve deeper into the alert functions. When creating an alert, you'll be able to customize a few specific settings, starting with the trigger condition. This option lets you specify exactly when the alert should appear. Decide on the frequency. Also, set whether the alert will be triggered only once or if you want it to ring multiple times. Set a timer to automatically turn off the alert once its expiration setting is reached. Naming your alert makes it much easier to manage within the Alert Manager, so choose something descriptive. Furthermore, you can customize a message that will display when the alert is triggered, using special placeholders to bring valuable variable data right into your alert message. It's equally important to decide how you want to be notified when your alerts go off. You can enable them on the app, ensuring alerts on your phone by first downloading the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If you prefer a visual cue, opt for the Show Pop-up feature, which will pop up a message once triggered. Make sure your browser allows TradingView to push notifications for this feature to work even if you're in another tab. If email suits you better, you can direct alerts straight to your inbox using the email address linked to your TradingView profile. For developers out there, webhook URLs offer a way to send a post request to a chosen URL with each triggered alert. And not to forget, the play sound option ensures you won't miss your alert if you happen to be away from the screen. Lastly, opt for Send Plain Text to receive notifications to an alternative email if needed. That's it for today's video. With these instructions, you now have a solid grasp on setting up alerts efficiently. Happy trading!